Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bardisi Desi family. Today we are going to make a special green tea for cough and cold for both young and adults. It's very good for children. For the preparation of this green tea we need 4 cloves, 3 cardamoms, green cardamoms, 1 spoon of fennel seed, a small piece of cinnamon stick and few leaves of mint with stem and a small piece of ginger. We only need 1 bag of green tea. First of all, take 4 cups of water in a saucepan and put all the things in the saucepan. After the water start boiling, let it boil for about 5 minutes. This remedy is very good for cough and cold. You can take it 3 times a day. After 5 minutes of boiling, I put the tea bag in it and turn off the stove and cover the lid. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes and after 5 minutes open the lid. Your green tea is ready.
It smells so good. Color is beautiful.
Now strain it in a cup. Half of the cup is enough for one-time dose. You can save it in your fridge for about 3 days. Use it with honey or lemon. You can also use sugar. Remember not to drink it with an empty stomach.
Look how beautiful it looks.
It's time for the taste test. Yahya is already coughing. Let's see how he likes it.
मामा आप ग्रीन टी पी सकता हूँ?
जी, आप लेमन लोगे कि शहद के साथ पीना चाहते
मुझे
हैं?
लगता है शहद.
गुड.
अरे वाह इतना satisfying.
ठीक है, दिखाओ कैसे टेस्ट है.
देखते हैं.
मजे का है हमजा?
बहुत मजे का है. आपकी रेसिपीज हर वक्त अमेजिंग होती हैं.
Thank you, Yahya. So we hope you will enjoy this amazing remedy. See you next time in the next video. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
अगर आपको वीडियो इतनी पसंद आई लाइक करो और सब्सक्राइब and press the bell icon so you get all the latest updates right away.